Still remember children, see 12th standard state board business maths chapter 2 exercise 2.5. See the second sum. X cube e power 3x. X cube e power 3x. Again you can check that which is algebraic and Ilade. This is algebraic and this is exponential. This is algebraic and this is exponential. Integral x cube e power 3x into dx. So that u value, this is u. Remaining everything you can take it as what? Integral dv. Integral dv. Okay. So if u is in a position of what? X power n. If it is like this, we can apply a Bernoulli's formula. See here, u equal to x cube. U equal to x cube. Integral dv equal to integral e power 3x into dx. Integral dv equal to integral e power x 3x into dx. So u dash. U dash equal to what? Differentiation. 3x square. U double dash. 6x. U double dash is 6x. U triple dash equal to 6. U power 4. 0. So it ends up. Okay. So u dash is 3x square. U double dash is 6x. U triple dash is 6. Then you finalize that value. U power 4 is 0. Then you move on to the same thing here also. Integral dv is nothing but what? V equal to e power 3x by 3. That coefficient you can bring it down. Again integration. You keep in your mind and do the sum. Again integration v1 equal to, again integration of e power 3x by 3 is what? E power 3x by 9, because see 3 into 3 it gives e power 3x by 9. Then v2 equal to again integration of e power 3x by 9 equal to e power 3x by 9 equal to 1 by 9 into e power 3x by 3 plus c we will put afterwards. It gives 1 by 27 e power 3x. V3 equal to integral of e power 3x by 27 into dx. 27 into dx. So 1 by 27 into 1 by 27 into e power 3x into dx. What is that value? E power 3x, that coefficient I can bring it down, x coefficient. So what is the value of V3? V3 equal to e power 3x by 81. E power 3x by 81, but u power 4 is 0. So you stop that value V3. Stop that value V3. See integral u dv, that is 3x square into integral u dv, x cube into e power 3x into dx. You can apply the Bernoulli's formula. What is that? By Bernoulli's. You will write like this. By Bernoulli's, it gives uv. What is the first one? U. Integral x cube into e power 3x dx equal to u. V. What is u? U is nothing but what? X cube. What is v? V is e power 3x by 3 minus uv minus u dash v1. U dash is what? 3x square. U dash is 3x square. U dash v1. V1 is what? E power 3x by 9. Okay. Plus what is the next one? U double dash 6x. U double dash 6x. u double dash v2. What is v2? E power 3x by 27. E power 3x by 27 plus e power 3x by 27 plus c u power 4 minus 6 into e power 3x by 81 plus c. E power 3x by 81 plus c. It gives x cube e power 3x by 3, cancel that term, minus x square e power 3x by 3 3s are 9 by 3 plus 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6. Here 9 3s are 27. 9 3s are 27 plus 2x e power 3x by 9. See here minus 3 2s are 6, 3 27s are 27s are minus 2 e power 3x by 27 plus c. C you can take it as e power 3x commonly out. What is the remaining thing? X cube by 3 minus x square by 3 plus 2x by 9 minus 2 by 27 plus c. Minus 2 by 27 plus c. See the third sum. Integral log x dx. Ilate. See logarithmic function. So that term you can take it as u. Integral dx you can take it as integral dv. Integral dx you can take it as dv. See, if u it is in a form of x power n, where n is a positive integer, you can apply a Bernoulli's. Otherwise you can move on to the reduction formula. What is reduction formula? Reduction formula. By reduction formula, what is the formula? See, integral u dv equal to uv minus integral v du. So you can take it as u equal to log x and dv equal to, and integral dv equal to integral dx. Integral dv equal to integral dx. So du equal to log x. What is the differentiation of log x? 1 by x into dx. Differentiation of log x is 1 by x into dx. Integral dv, v. Integral dv is v equal to x. Plus c we will write last. Okay. See, you can apply the formula. Integral u dv equal to log x dx equal to integral u dv equal to uv. U is log x. What is v? U is log x. What is v? X. You will write it here. You don't write it here. Okay. X log x. Log x x. Okay. It is not feasible. So you can write x log x minus integral v. V is x. V is x. Du. Du is what? 1 by x into dx. Du is 1 by x into dx. X get cancelled. So it gives x log x minus integral dx. X log x minus integral dx. So it gives x log x minus integration of dx is what? X plus c. X plus c. So you can take it as x commonly out here. So get the answer log x minus 1 plus c. See the fourth sum, x log x. Integral x log x into dx. Integral x log x into dx. You can think the Eilert formula. Eilert, this is algebraic and this is logarithmic. Eilert. But first whichever comes you can take it as that is u. So you can take this one is u. Remaining part you can take it as what? Integral dv. So if u is placed in the log x, we can apply only for the reduction formula. If u in the place of x, you can apply the Bernoulli's formula, but here it was changed, u equal to log x. So you can apply the reduction formula. So u equal to log x, integral dv equal to integral x dx. Integral dv equal to integral x dx by reduction formula. You should write the formula. By reduction formula, what is the formula? Integral u dv equal to uv minus integral v du. uv minus integral v du. So u equal to log x. u equal to log x. Integral dv, u equal to log x. Integral dv equal to integral x dx. du equal to 1 by x into dx. du by dx, differentiate with respect to x, so you can write as it is. du equal to 1 by x into dx. v equal to, integral dv is nothing but what? v equal to x power 1. You can apply x power 1 plus 1 by n plus 1 by n plus 1. x square by 2. v equal to x square by 2. Now you apply in the reduction formula. Integral x log x dx equal to uv. u is what? Log x. What is v? X square by 2. You can write it in the front. X square by 2. X square by 2 minus integral v du. What is v? X square by 2. What is du? What is du? 1 by x into dx. 1 by x into dx. See here, x square by 2 log x minus x get cancel. 1 by 2 into integral x dx. So x square by 2 log x minus 1 by 2 x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. It's nothing but what? X square by 2 plus c. So it gives x square by 2 log x minus x square by 4. X square by 4 plus c. So I will write it here. See here, x square by 2 I can take it as commonly out. X square by 2 I can take it as commonly out. What is the remaining thing? Log x minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 plus c. Minus 1 by 2 plus c. See the fifth sum, integral x power n log x dx. What we have seen the previous sum, the same is applicable for this sum also. Log x you can take it as u because Eilert logarithmic is first and then algebraic. So which one is first? You can take it as u. So log x equal to u. Integral x power n into dx you can take it as what? Integral dv. So by reduction formula, because u value is replaced by log x, so we cannot apply Bernoulli's. You can use it only for the reduction formula. By reduction formula, what is that? Integral u dv equal to uv minus integral v du. What is u? U equal to log x. What is u? U equal to log x. Integral dv. Integral dv equal to integral x power n into dx. U equal to log x. Integral dv equal to integral x power n into dx. So du equal to differentiation of u with respect to x is what is that meaning? Its meaning is like this: du by dx equal to log x is what? 1 by x. So du equal to 1 by x into dx. Du equal to 1 by x into dx. What is v? Integral dv is v. V equal to x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. X power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So du equal to 1 by x dx. V equal to x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Okay, you substitute everything here. Integral u dv equal to uv. U is log x. V is what? X power n plus 1 by n plus 1. X power n plus 1 by n plus 1 minus integral v du. V du. What is v? X power n plus 1 by n plus 1. X power n plus 1 by x plus 1. Du is nothing but what? 1 by x into dx. 1 by x into dx. See here. See x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 log x. Okay. Minus 1 by n plus 1, you can take it out. Integral x power n plus 1, you bring that power x to the numerator. It comes what? Into x power minus 1 into dx. If the bases are same, we can add the powers. So x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 into log x minus 1 by n plus 1 integral x power n plus 1 minus 1 into dx. Plus 1 minus 1 get cancel. So x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 log x minus 1 by n plus 1 integral x power n into dx. X power n into dx. See, x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 log x minus 1 by n plus 1. What is that? Integration of x power n into dx. X power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. X power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. So it gives x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 is common. You can take it out. What is the remaining term? Log x minus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Log x minus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. See, integral x power 5 e power x square dx. X power 5 e power x square is also it comes. If e power x means we will do the formula. We will apply the Bernoulli formula. But e power x square. So what is the differentiation of x square? 2x. See here. Integral x power 5 I can split up into x power 4 into x. E power x square into dx. Okay. If the bases are same, we can add the powers. Now I can take it as x square equal to t. X square equal to t. Differentiate with respect to x. 2x equal to dt by dx. 2x equal to dt by dx. So 2x dx equal to dt. 2x dx equal to dt. X dx. X dx equal to 1 by 2 dt. You apply everything in the formula. See here, I will write that x power 4, I will write x square the whole square. X power 4 I will write it as what? X square the whole square e power x square x dx. I write it in a proper way. X power 4 x square the whole square e power x square x dx. See here, integral x square is t, so it gives t square. Okay, e power x square is t. What is x dx? X dx what? 1 by 2 dt. So you can take it as 1 by 2 out. What is the remaining part here? T square e power t dt. Whatever you applied for that is x value, the same thing you can apply for here also. T square, it's not nothing but an algebraic expression, that's all. Because it is x square, it is t square. So t square, this is exponential. You can apply the Eilert formula. Eilert. What is that? First one is algebraic. So this one you can take it as u. Okay. And the remaining part exponential, you can take it as what? Integral dv. Is it clear for you? You don't think of x value alone. Any algebraic expression, any to the power of, any algebraic expression to the power of n, x power n. Here t square, t power n, that's all. Okay, u equal to t square. U equal to t square. Integral dv equal to integral e power t into dt. I apply here for Bernoulli. By Bernoulli, what is the formula? By Bernoulli, what is the formula here? Integral u dv equal to uv minus u dash v1 plus u double dash v2 minus u triple dash v3, etc. It moves on like this. See here, u equal to t square. U dash equal to 2t, u dash equal to 2t, u double dash equal to 2, u triple dash equal to 0, u triple dash equal to 0. The same thing, integral dv equal to integral e power t into dt, v equal to e power t, v1 again integration e power t. You will do it. See here, integral e power t is e power t. v2 is also e power t because again integration e power t. v3 we don't want because u triple dash is what? 0. Now you apply the formula integral u dv t square into e power t dt equal to u v. What is u? T square. What is v? E power t plus minus what is u dash? 2t e power t plus u double dash. U double dash is 2. U double dash is 2. v2 e power t. See, u triple dash is 0. U triple dash is 0. So you can put plus c. Is it clear? See, t square e power t minus 2t e power t plus 2 e power t plus c. Now you can take it as e power t as commonly out. T square minus 2t plus 2 plus c plus 2 plus c. So what is the t value we kept? X square. T equal to x square, you replaced that value. So it gives e power x square into x square the whole square, okay, minus 2x square plus 2 plus c. So it gives e power x square into x power 4 minus 2x square plus 2 plus c. See, before 1 by 2 is there. 1 by 2 into t square e power t. So you can last 1 by 2 into e power t square. See here, t square e power t equal to integral t square e power t into dt equal to e power x square into x power 4 minus 2x square plus 2 plus c. But the sum 1 by 2 is there. 1 by 2 t square e power t dt equal to the sum 1 by 2 integral t square e power t dt equal to, you will write e power x square by 2 into, you write down the values. What are the values? X power 4 minus 2x square plus 2 plus c. See, at last you will multiply that 1 by 2 because we already kept that 1 by 2 out. So first you find out this values, then you multiply that 1 by 2. 1 by 2 t square e power t dt equal to e power x square by 2 multiplied x power 4 minus 2x square plus 2 plus c.